श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरम्। ओम शन्नो मित्रश्शं वरुणः शन्नो भवतु वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि हृदं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ऋतञ्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च सत्यञ्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च तपश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च दमश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च शमश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च अग्नयश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च अग्निहोत्रञ्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च अतिथयश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च मानुषञ्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च प्रजा च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च प्रजनश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च प्रजातिश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च सत्यमिति सत्यवचारादीतरः तप इति तपो नित्यः पौरुषिष्टिः स्वाध्याय प्रवचने ये वेति नाको मौद्गल्यः तद्धि तपः। So all these things are to be practiced. Rutam, Satyam, Shamaha, Damaha, then Agnayascha, Agnihotrancha, Adidayascha Pujyaha, Manushamcha, Prajacha, Prajanascha, Prajatischa. This we have seen. That means everything is to be practiced. Now, now why? Because all these things, sarvaihi etaihi कर्मभियुक्तस्य अपि स्वाध्याय प्रवचने यत्नतः अनुष्ठेये इति एवं अर्थम सर्वेण सह स्वाध्याय प्रवचन ग्रहणम. So everything you may be practicing it, but you have to स्वाध्याय and प्रवचनम has to be done. स्वाध्याय अधीनम ही अर्थज्ञानम अर्थज्ञानायत्तं च परम श्रेयः प्रवचनं च तत् अविस्मरणार्थं धर्म प्रवृद्ध्यर्थं च अतः स्वाध्याय प्रवचनयोः आदरः कार्यः. So beautiful. So each depending on other, that is स्वाध्याय adhinam hi arthajnanam. Arthajnanam is dependent on स्वाध्याय plus and arthajnanayattam cha param shreyah. Param shreyah is always there in arthajnanam, not mere simple or chanting or anything. So pravachanam tad avismaranartham, not to forget. Dharma pravruddhi artham cha, in order to dharma pravruddhi, dharma has to be told and it has to be increased day by day. Dena pravardhamanam. Ataha swadhyaya pravachanayoho adarha karyaha. Therefore, one has to respect, revere, adore, practice, observe, follow, dedicate these two disciplines of life, Swadhyaya and Pravachana. That is what is said. Now, Satyamiti, Satyameva Anushthatavyam iti Satyameva Vachaha Yasya So Ayam Satyavachanamava Tasya. Now, Satyamiti, Satyameva Anushthatavyam iti means what? Truth alone is to be practiced. Satyamiti. Somebody said, one Maharishi by name Satyameva Vachaha Yasya So Ayam Satyavacha. Satyavacha is the one Rishi. He declared Satyamiti. This is the truth. What is the truth? What all we have seen. Rutancha, Swadhyaya, Pravachana, Swadhyaya and Pravachana principle and whatever sadhana has been laid down, they are truth, and that for truth and truth alone to be practiced. Satyameva Anushthatavyam iti Satyameva Vachaha Yasya So Ayam Satyavacha Nama. Somebody by name Satyavacha. Why he got Satyavacha? Because one Satyameva Vachaha, one who always speaks truth, one whose words are always endowed with the truth. Therefore he is called as Satyavachaha. Ayam Satyavacha va Satyavacha nama va tasya. Or one we can say Satyavacha nama, maybe Satyavacha name, or the one who always speaks truth. He declared that Satyameva Satyamiti Satyavacha Rathitaraha, that is Rathitaraha Rathitarasya Gotro Rathitara Acharyo Manyate. So Satyavacha is belonging to the lineage of Rathitarasya Gotro Rathitara Acharyo Manyate. So it is called Rathichara. Rathichara is the Acharya, one who is Acharya is there. Now, so he declared Satyavachaha belongs to Rathitara Grotra, Rathitarasya Putraha, Rathitarasya Gotro, Rathitara Acharyo Manyate. He thinks that Satyameva, Satyamiti, Satyameva Anushteyam iti. That is what he thinks. The Rishi Vachanam. Another Rishi comes, Tapayati. Now, what is said? Tapayeva kartavyam iti tapo nityaha tapasi nityaha tapah paraha tapo nityaha iti va nama. Now, tapayiti, tapayeva kartavyam iti. Someone Maharishi said by name tapo nityaha tapasi nityaha tapah paraha. One who is always in tapas, dedicated to tapas by name. So he is called Tapo Nityaha, his name. Or other name is Tapo Nityaha, it can be his name, Itiva Nama, Paurushishtihi, Purushishtasya Apatyam, Paurushishtihi, Acharyo Manyate. He is the son of Purushishti, that Acharya by name, Tapo Nityaha. That Acharya may be Purushishti, son of Purushishti is Paurushishti. His name is, so like that, Dasharathi means Rama. Dasharatha sa pustraha Dasharathi. So Dasharathi, that is Rama. So similarly, Paurushishti means son of Purushishti. What is his original name? Tapo Nityaha. Why he got Tapo Nitya? Maybe his name is Tapo Nitya, or one who is always endowed reveling in tapas. Therefore he is called Tapo Nitya. Similarly, Satyavacha, Rathitarasya Gotrasya. Satyavacha Nama. Maybe Satyavacha name, or one who is always dedicated to truth, speaks truth, lives in truth. That's what that. No. He so Satyavacha he said, Satyameva Anushteyam, it Satyavachaha, Tapaha eva kartavyam, Tapo Nityaha, Tapasi, Nityas Tapaha, Tapah Paraha, Tapo Nitya iti va Nama Paurushishtihi, Purushishtasya Apatyam, Paurushishti Acharyo Manyate. This Paurushishti Acharya considers that Tapa alone has to be done. This is Rishi Vachanam. Now, Swadhyaya Pravachane Yeveti Nako Maudgalyaha. Now, Swadhyaya Pravachane Yeva Anushtheya iti Nako Namataha. Naka by name Naka. He said, Swadhyaya and Pravachana alone has to be done. That is his vision. He thinks that Swadhyaya Pravachan se karna chahiye. कोई कहते हैं ऋषि तप तो करना चाहिए, कोई सत्य से हटना नहीं चाहिए. तो ऋषि स्मरणम. So therefore, Swadhyaya Pravachane eva Anushtheya iti Nako Namataha. Who is Nakaha? Mudgalasya Apatyam Maudgalyaha. So son of Mudgala. His name, son of Mudgala is Maudgalaha. What is the name of Maudgalaha? Nakau Nama. What does he say? Swadhyaya pravachane eva anushte. One should not give up Swadhyaya and pravachanam. So, some Rishi says Rishi Manjate Tapaha. Some Rishi says Satyameva. Someone says Swadhyaya and pravachana. Tadhi tapaha. That alone is tapas. That alone is tapas. Tadhi tapaha. He yasmat swadhyaya pravachane eva tapaha. Tasmat te eva anushtheya iti. Because swadhyaya and pravachanam alone is tapas, that alone has to be practiced. That alone has to be lived through these things. Yasmat swadhyaya pravachane eva tapaha tasmat te eva anushte. Because since swadhyaya and tapas is considered as tapas, pravachana is considered as tapas, so they alone are to be practiced, worshipped or practiced. Anushteyam. Tapaha tasmat te eva anushte iti. Uktanam api satyaha tapaswadhyaya pravachananam punargrahanam adarartham. Though it was mentioned earlier, already mentioned, no, tapaswadhyaya mean what do you call? Satyamati satyavachara tetaraha tapayati tapo nityah paurusustihi. So all these things are already told. Nako maudgalyah. All those things are already told. Tadhi tapah. Bar bar dohrana kyun? Because pravachananam swadhyaya pravachanam punargrahanam adarartham, to show solicitude. That is importance. Something is important is repeated. Ultimately made us remember. So that is a thing. Therefore, in the end, these three great rishis, acharyas, someone says, tapaha iti tapo nityah paurushustihi swadhyaya pravachane eva yeti nako maudgalyah tadhi tapaha swadhyaya pravachane eva tapaha swadhyaya pravachane eva anushtheyah iti nako mudgalasya patyam manyate acharyo manyate. He thinks and he considers. That is his siddhanta. Iti sikshavalyam navamo anuvakaha samaptaha. Now, dashama anuvaka. Aham vrukshasya reriva iti swadhyayartho mantramnayah. Swadhyayascha vidya utpattaye prakaranat. Vidyartham hi idam prakaranam. Nacha anyarthatvam avagamyate. Swadhyayena cha vishuddha sattvasya vidya utpattihi avakalpyate. So beautiful. Now, aham vrukshasya reriva. Next anuvaka. It becomes, no, aham vrukshasya reriva. It starts like that. So, aham vrukshasya reriva iti, this anuvakam, that is dashama anuvaka, this mantra is there. Aham vrukshasya reriva, kirti prustam greriva, this anuvaka, no, dashama anuvaka, iti swadhyayartho mantramnayah. This Vedic mantras are meant for swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means japa here. There is nothing to be done there. No, tattvamasi. What will you do? Only understanding is required. Aham brahmasmi. Aham brahmasmi karo. Karna kya hai? Samajhna hai. Think. So, Om Namah Shivaya. Jap karo. Swaha Oma. Om Namah Shivaya. Swaha Shivaya Idam Namah. But here, what is to be done now? Japa. This is only repetition. This mantra. So, swadhyayartho mantramnaya. This is given for japa. Nothing else. Japa means repetition. Swadhyaya. Okay. Why swadhyaya? Swadhyayascha vidya utpattaye. Swadhyaya is meant for producing knowledge. Knowledge in the antahkaranam, correct knowledge will be born by regular study. Otherwise, knowledge doesn't take place. Knowledge means not here intellectual alone, but true understanding. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना सोच और समझ. अभी सोच ही समझ हो सकता है ना, सोच और समझ क्यों? अब सोचना किस लिए? समझने, जो समझता है वही सोचता है, फिर सोच और समझ क्यों? तो सोच ही ज्ञान हो सकता है ना। मैं तो सोच लिया माने ज्ञानी हो गए। सोचने से समझ नहीं हो सकता। सोच के और समझो, समझना क्या है? इस वक्त, इस काल में, इस परिस्थिति में, इस देश में उसकी अनुष्ठान हो सकती है क्या, उसकी पूर्ति के लिए, ये उसके प्रयोग के लिए यही समय क्या ठीक समय है कि नहीं है? दैट इज कॉल्ड विजडम। समझ यहां पे विजडम। सोच, मियर सोच, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज नॉट इनफ। मैंने सोच लिया, और समझ के साथ काम करो। यहां पे समझ माने समझना नहीं है, हिंदी में समझना वो अलग बात है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है यहां पे। समझ, यहां का समझ का मतलब क्या है? विजडम। समझ के साथ काम करो माने बी वाइज व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग। सो हियर विद्या उत्पत्तये, दैट काइंड ऑफ ए नॉलेज इज प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू स्वाध्याय, थ्रू जप। ब्यूटिफुल। Prakaranat. The context, the present context is knowledge only. In the present context of this Anuvaka, we are discussing with knowledge. So, in the context, in the text, when we are discussing with knowledge, suddenly karma cannot come into picture. So, the context says we are dealing with the knowledge. So, therefore, Swadhyaya Vidya Utpattaye Prakaranat. Vidyartham hi idam prakaranam. And moreover, this present text, present Anuvaka, is only meant for gaining knowledge. It's dedicated to knowledge. So for knowledge sake it is given. Vidyartham hi idam prakaranam. Nacha anyarthatvam avagamyate. There is no other implied meaning is seen. The Anuvaka, it doesn't imply any other thing here except knowledge. स्वाध्यायेन च विशुद्ध सत्वस्य विद्या उत्पत्ति अवकल्प्यते। थ्रू स्वाध्याय विशुद्ध सत्वस्य, that is शुद्ध अंतःकरण takes place. So in the only in the शुद्ध अंतःकरण the pure knowledge can take place. Only in pure mirror, cleaned mirror, one's own self is seen, image is seen. Shuddha antakarana and buddhi only, the truth is understood, gained. Okay. So, Vishuddha Sattvasya Vidya Utpatti avakalpyate. Therefore, the possibility of knowledge, true knowledge, rise of true knowledge is possible only in a pure heart or antakarana. Therefore, Swadhyaya is important. Swadhyaya means here japa. With understanding, of course. समझ के साथ. Okay? Dashamanuvaka. So this is meant for. Now what is the japa? Very beautiful japa. What is this mantra? Aham rukshasya reriva kirtih prustham gireriva ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणगं सवर्चसं सुमेधा अमृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशङ्कोर्वेदानुवचनम् अहं वृक्षस्य रेरिवा कीर्तिपृष्ठं गिरेरिवा ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणकं सवर्चसं सुमेधा अमृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशङ्कोर्वेदानुवचनम्. Now, here he is doing japa. Japa means what? Aham vrukshasya reriva. कीर्तिपृष्ठं गिरेरिव ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणगं सवर्चसं सुमेधा अमृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशङ्कोर्वेदानुवचनम्. Meditate. Aham vrukshasya reriva kirtih prustam gireriva. What is that? Aham, me. Who am I? Vrukshasya uchchedatmakasya samsara vrukshasya reriva prerayita antaryatmana antaryami atmana antaryamyatmana. Now, who am I? Aham samsara vrukshasya. That which can be cut. So, chedatmakasya, this samsara vriksha which can be cut into pieces. This is vrishyanat vrikshaha. Vrishyanat vriksha means that which can be cut. Therefore, it is called vriksha. So, samsara vrikshasya, this is why samsara vriksha. Why it can be cut? Asanga shastrena drudena chitva. So, this tree can be cut. With which it can be cut? Weapon of detachment. But here he says, this aham vrikshasya uchchedatmakasya samsara vrikshasya aham, this samsara tree which can be cut. Who am I? Reriva. Reriva means prerayita. Now see, I am the prerayita. Prerayita means invigorator, stimulator. Meaning what? Antaryamyatmana. How? As antaryami, as a self which rules from within. Antaryami means control, ruling. Antaryami means controlling the jagat from being inside. Remote control. वो घर से निकलता नहीं, बाहर निकलता नहीं, मगर सब कुछ कंट्रोल करता है. वो अपने कमरे में रहता है, बट सारे विश्व को कंट्रोल करता है. Similarly, this Paramatma is Antaryami, who me alone, Aham. So, entire samsara vriksham, entire galaxies, entire srishti, for entire this, I am prerayita, prerana kartra. That is, invigorator. I am the stimulator. It is me, because of me, the entire samsara vriksha is sustaining, existing, functioning, changing, etc. Because aham bhavena, aham tvena, as I, not aham bhava, as I am, as antvena, this feeling of I, except in me, there is in nobody this feeling of I is in me, is seen in the world. For to me, other than me, everything is idam. Nothing aham. Ishvara also pratyaksha rupena. Suppose even Ishvara pratyaksha, sasharir. Suppose he give darshan to me. Even then I see Ishvara as idam and never as aham. Think. So that is the reason why only when this is all these things is seen as aham. Ahameva idam sarvam. That anubhuti has to come. Then only Advaita Sthiti will come. Because everything is in I. And moreover, if I am not there, where is this world? Where is Ishvara? Even Ishvara is other than me. Shakti is other than me. Ishvara and Shakti are recognized because of me. So their existence also depending on me. Me means pure I here, not ahankara ego. Not ego I here. If I am not there, where is samsara? So as a seeker on the path, I am meditating now. Aham samsara vrikshasya uchchedatmakasya samsara vrikshasya prerayita antaryamyatmana. How am I invigorating the whole creation? As antaryami. So I am this antaryami in everybody. In all the beings, Antaryami is one. Antaryami is not everybody, one per head. तुम्हारा अंतर्यामी अलग है, मेरे अंतर्यामी अलग है. Though he is called अंतर्यामी, ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे अर्जुन तिष्ठति, भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोक महेश्वरं, सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति. So here I am contemplating, without me where is this Jagat? Without me where is this Dvaita? Without me where is this creation? When I am in deep sleep state, what happened to entire this Jagat? So everything is dancing on me and I am the center. And I am Antaryami of everything. So, Aham Vrukshasya Rerivaha. And what is my Kirti? Kirtihi, Khyatihi means fame. My fame is what? Girehe Prushtamiva Uchrita Mama. My fame is so high, just as the top of the mountain, peaks of the mountain, uppermost peaks of the mountain, jaise uppermost Shikaragra, Kirti Mama. My fame is that. I am that. I am not this, I am that. My fame is so widespread. So one who has rooted in this knowledge, no jealousies, no comparison, no hatred. Why Antaryami Rupena, as Antaryami, I am alone is doing everything. Kisi ko mila prize, is happy, I am in that, living in that happiness. That's why Mahatmas, one yogis, Mahapurushas थे, बाबा जल्दी खाओ मुझे भूख लग रही है. क्या? तू जल्दी खाओ मुझे भूख लग रही है. वहां पे वो खाएगा, महाराज को बेल्चिंग विल कम. इसमें लगता है नमक ज्यादा है. He is reporting here. So they become one with it, everybody. So my fame is so high, Kirti Prustham Gireriva. Then Urdhva Pavitraha. Urdhva means Karanam, Pavitram Pavanam Jnana Prakashyam, Pavitram Paramam Brahma Yasya Sarvatmano Mama. So Aham Urdhva Pavitraha. Urdhva means Karanam here. Urdhvam is Karanam. Karanam means Pavitram, pure, Pavanam, Jnana Prakashyam. Urdhva means that cause. Cause Brahman only. Sarva Karanam Brahma. So Urdhva, Pavitram means Urdhva means Karanam. So Pavitram Karanam. Mama Karanam. Mama Sarvatmanaha Yasya Karanam Urdhvam Bhavati. So Aham Urdhva Pavitraha. I am Urdhva Pavitra. Why? Because the one who is me, to me, of the nature of all pervading, Sarvatmanaha, all pervading me which is there, to me, who is the cause? Nirguna Parabrahma. No, you cannot say Brahman is all pervading. Why? There is neither all to pervade. All pervading means what? All is duality, no? All is manyness, na? So Brahman is not all pervading also. It's only for with reference to Jagat, with reference to Dvaita, we say all pervading. Where is all to pervade? When who alone is there? All pervading also wrong. All pervading also wrong. When all it disappears, where is pervading Brahman? Brahman alone is there. So you don't have to say he is all pervading. When all is not there. But Sarvatma Bhava is lower experience. Why? I am identified with Samashti. Means Samashti is existing to me. I am experiencing Virat. I am experiencing Hiranyagarbha. I am experiencing Moola Karanam. So I become one with the Moola Karanam, Hiranyagarbha Vastu, or I am experiencing one with the Virat Rupa. In Virat Rupa, Aneka Rupa, Aneka Nama, names and forms are there, Aneka Vastus are there. With all of them I am identified. I am all pervading. Very good. But that is still not that Nirguna Parabrahma Sthiti. So what is the cause to your existence? Nirguna Parabrahma. Therefore, Mama Sarvatmano Yasya, I am all pervading. But Mama Karanam is Urdhva Pavitra, still Urdhvam Pavitram is there. Who is that? Jnana Prakashyam. That which is Brahman, Urdhva, that is Urdhvam, Karanam. Urdhva means Karanam, the cause, that is pure one, Pavanam, Pavitram. Jnana Prakashyam, which is revealed by the knowledge, that Brahman is the cause of me. Who am I? The one who is all pervading and experiencing. So to this all pervading me, that Brahma, Nirguna Parabrahma is the cause. Therefore, Urdhva Pavitraha. So Urdhva means Karanam, Pavitra Karanam, Brahma is my God. So he is contemplating on that. That means what? He is even transcending the experience of all pervading. Where is all? So he is even dissolving Prakriti, Hiranyagarbha, everything. All these things are sustained by Paramatma, Parabrahma, Nirguna Parabrahma. That is the pure, untouched, Pavitram, Pavanam, Jnana Prakashyam, revealed by knowledge. That Brahman is me. Therefore, Urdhva Pavitraha. My Karanam is pure. I am already experiencing this, I am already transcended from body. I am experiencing oneness with everybody. To me also that cause. Sarvatmano Mama. That is one understanding. Otherwise, other meaning is Sarvatmanaha, Brahma, which is all pervading, is my real cause. That is another way of thinking. Either way we can interpret. Mama, so aham urdhva pavitraha. Vajiniva, Vajavati iva. Vajani iva means Vajavati. Vajavati, Vajam, Annam. So what is Tadvati? Means Annavati. What is Annavati? Means full of food. What is full of food? Anarasam Savitari ityartaha. Lord Son. Lord Son is full of Anna. Anna means the entire resource for sustenance of the entire Jagat is in Surya Bhagavan. If Surya is not there, is nourisher, no? Through prana, and he is also creating the food also on earth. Everything is, who is nourisher? Nourisher is Surya Bhagavan. So who is Anna? Anna is nourishment here. So Savitari, Vajam means Vajavati means Annavati. Tadvati means full of food. Vajam Annam. Tadvati. Savitari ityartaha. Savitari means in the sun, Lord Son. Yatha Savitari Amrutam Atmatattvam Vishuddham Prasiddham Amrutatvam. Which is in the Savitari, in the sun, Atmatattvam is there, the self. Self alone is Vishuddham, Prasiddham, well known. Atmatattvam, Prashuddham, pure is there. Sruti Smrutishatebhya Prasiddham, and which is very well popular, very well known in all the scriptures of Srutis and Smrutis. It is pointed out that Surya Bhagavan is the one who is full of Annam, consists of, possessed of entire food. Atmatattvam, food of the self here. Atmatattvam. What is food here? Essence of self only. Atmatattvam, Vishuddham, Atmatattvam, Prasiddham, Sruti Smrutishatebhya, Evam Swamrutam, Shobhanam, Vishuddham, Atmatattvam, Asmi Bhavami. So, Urdhva Pavitraha, one is over. Vajani iva Swamrutam, like Bhagavan Surya, who is pure, consisting that Atmatattva. Anna means here Atmatattva. Why? Atma alone sustains everything. So that Rasa is a center of the universe is Surya Bhagavan. So similarly, Amrutam Asmi, Vishuddham Atmatattvam Asmi Bhavami. I am the pure eternal self which supports everything, like Anna. Like Surya Bhagavan is full of food, is Atmatattvam only. Savitari Amrutam. Here Amrutam means immortality. What is immortality? Atmatattvam, the immortal nature of self. And Surya Bhagavan is the self of all. Surya Bhagavan is nourisher of all. Is a solar life. In his life, in him, we live and have our being is a beautiful expression of a great Mahatmas. Great Mahatmas. In him, the one in whom we have our being. See, Surya Bhagavan, the solar life, or Hiranyagarbha, the one in whom all the Brahmandas exist. The one in whom we live, we breathe our life. In my life, the most of the, all the cells in our body, bacteria, small virus, everything is sustained. Why? Because of me. So in my life, these little lives are living. When I breathe, they breathe. When I take food, they take food. So I am the central life for all the creatures existing in the body. All the cells. Each cell is a life, a living cell, organism. So when I take breathing, I am supplying them also. So they breathe in my breath. They live in my life. They exist when I exist. They take food when I take food. Why? They live in me. Similarly, Surya Bhagavan is sun. And Dravinam, Dhanam, Savarchasam, Deeptimat, Tadeva Atmatattvam, Asmi iti anuvartate. Now, Dhanam, Dravinam means Dhanam. Which Dhanam? Deeptimat Dhanam. Deeptimat Dhanam. Effulgent wealth I am. Asmi. Here wealth means what? Atmatattvam. The nature of self alone is wealth here. Atmatattvam alone is Dhanam. That Atmatattvam is me. Moreover, Brahmajnanam va Atmatattva Prakashakatvat Savarchasam. Other meaning of Savarchasam is Brahmajnanam. Means Savarchasam means Brahmajnanam, which reveals the self. Atma Tattva Prakashakatvat Savarchasam. So what is Savarchasam? Deeptimat Savarchasam Asmi. I am that self-effulgent knowledge of Brahman which reveals Brahman. Savarchasam. So, Dravinam iva Dravidam moksha sukha hetutvat. Why it is called Atma Jnanam is Dravidam, wealth? Because it is a wealth produces something, is it not? Prosperity. Here Atma Dhanam, Savarchasam Atma Dhanam produces what? It produces moksham. That Atma Jnana, Dhanam which is there, that knowledge of self produces moksha sukha hetutvat. It is the cause of the happiness of moksha. Asmin pakshe praptam maya iti adhyaharha kartavyaha. Two things, I am not going in depth now. Two types of thoughts are there. One ega le to asmi, otherwise maya iti adhyaharaha. So I attain, either one is what you call Dravidagam Savarchasam Asmi. I am that wealth, effulgent wealth. If you consider that I am Atma Tattvam Asmi. Otherwise, if you say other one, that Prakashakatvat Savarchasam Brahmajnanam if you take, so Brahmajnanam which is Moksha Sukha Hetutvat. In that way, if you take that Brahmajnanam, then Maya Praptam Maya iti. So that Brahmajnanam is attained by me. Maya iti adhyahara kartavya. This has to be supplied. Attained by me or it is me. Depend upon two different meanings. I know I am not making it clear, but I am running it. Sumedaha, Shobhana, Medha, Sarvagya Lakshana, Yasya Mama Soham Sumedaha. Sumedha means Shobhana, Medha. Shobhana, beautiful. Medhas, intelligence. What is intelligence? Sarvagya Lakshana, Yasya. What is Sumedha? Sarvagya Lakshana, omniscience. The Buddhi is omniscient, all-knowing. Mama, Soham Sumedaha. I am Sumedaha. Why I am omniscient? Who are you? Samsara sthiti utpatti upasamhara kaushala yogat sumedhastvam. Now I am endowed with the skill of this samsara, srushti, sthiti and laya. Sthiti, utpatti, upasamhara. So in the srushti is creation, existence and destruction. It is supported by me. So I have that skill of creating, sustaining and withdrawing. Therefore, I am that intelligence, omniscient intelligence, which has got the skill of creating, sustaining and withdrawing. I am that Sumedha, that pure intelligence, omniscience. Ataha eva, therefore I am Amrutaha, Amarana Dharmaha, Akshitaha, Akshinoha, Avyayaha. I am inexhaustible, undecaying. Akshatova, Amrutenava, Ukshitaha, Siktaha. Otherwise, I am soaked in Amruta. Akshita, otherwise Ukshita. Ukshita means I am soaked in immortality. I am Akshitaha. Akshataha means not cut, undecaying. Avyayaha, inexhaustible. Very good. Otherwise, Ukshita means Amrutokshitaha aham ityadi Brahmanam. In Brahmana also there is one more. Amruta Ukshitaha. Ukshita means I am Siktaha, soaked in immortality. So, aham samsara vrukshasya uchchedatmakasya samsara vrukshasya prerayita urdhva pavitraha vajiniva samrutam asmi sumedha dravinam savarchasam sumedaha dravinam. I am the savarchasam deeptimat tadeva asmi. I am that wealth of the supreme knowledge of that Brahman, Brahmajnanam va atmatat prakashakatvat. Then I am Amrutaha, Akshitaha, Sumedha, Amruto, Akshitaha, Ukshitaha. Iti evam, thus, Trishankoho, Rushehe, Brahmabhutasya, Brahmavidha, Vedanu Vachanam. Thus, this was uttered by Anuvachanam, Veda Anuvachanam. Veda Anuvachanam, Vedaha, Vedanam, knowing, Atma Ekatva Vijnanam. Veda means Vedanam, Atma Ekatva Vijnanam. Atma Ekatva Vijnanam, the knowledge of oneness of self, is called Vedaha. Tasya Praptim Anuvachanam. No, after attainment of this knowledge of the oneness of the self, here what is that? Iti Trishankoho, Veda Anuvachanam is given, no? Veda Anuvachanam means, Anu means what? After, following after something. Not Veda Vachanam, Veda Anuvachanam it is. What is Veda? Atma Ekatva Vijnanam. Now, Atma Ekatva Vijnanam has been attained. Now, Tasya Praptim Anuvachanam Veda Anuvachanam. After realizing that, if you speak something, it becomes Anuvachanam. Is it not? So, this Trishankoho first realized the truth. He realized the truth. Veda Vachanam he realized. Then he started Anuvachanam, Veda Anuvachanam. Again, after realization, he gave out. Atmanaha Krita Krutyata Akhyapanartham Vamadevavat Trishankunar Arshena Darshanena Drusto Mantramnaya Atma Vidya Prakashakaha Ityartaha. The Atmanaha Krita Krutyata Akhyapanartham. It is Kritakrutyata Akhyapanartham, to indicate that he is fulfilled after realization. Like what? Vamadevavat. In Aitareya Upanishad we discussed Vamadeva Rishi. Like Vamadevavat, Trishanku Rishi also realized the truth like Vamadeva, and Arshena Darshanena Drushtaha. He saw that Mantramnayaha Atmavidya Prakashaka Ityartaha. He saw these mantras, Atmavidya Prakashaka, which reveals the self, nature of the self, the knowledge of self, Atmavidya Prakashakaha. That he saw, Trishanku. Like Vamadeva realized the truth, he also realized and declared. Therefore, Veda Anuvachanam, no? So, Aham Rakshasya Reriva, Kirti Prustam Gireriva. This is the statement made after realizing the truth by a Rishi called Trishankuhu. Like Vamadeva declared the truth in Aitareya Upanishad, similarly here, Trishanku Rishi is declaring this truth. So, it is Veda Anuvachanam. Veda said something, he practiced it, realized, after realization, he gave. It is explaining, it is expressing the Kritakrutyata, fulfillment of Trishanku Rishi, like Vamadeva Rishi. Like Trishanku Rishi also, Arshena Darshanena Drushtaha. He saw the Rishi Darshanam, like Maharshi saw, same line he also saw and experienced it. Now, Asyacha Japo Vidya Utpatyartaha Avagamyate. Now, why this mantra is given? Here it says Japa Vidya Asya cha Japaha vidya utpatyartha avagамyate. It is now clearly ascertained that this japa is meant to produce the knowledge for the development of knowledge in us. Vidya utpatye. Which one? Aham vrikshasya reriva kirti prustam gireriva ऊर्ध्वपवित्रः वाजनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणगं सवर्चसं सुमेधः अमृतः अक्षितः. This contemplation. So this mantra, this japa is to produce that real knowledge. Continuously we are thinking, dehypnotizing ourselves that I am the body, I am a samsari. I am already hypnotized. So dehypnotization is what? I am urdhva I am not the samsara. I am not a particular piece in samsara getting tossed up and down. I am not the product of samsara. I am the pure Brahman. So this samsara vrakshasya prerayita, all this is existing because of me alone. If I am not there, nothing exists. That is the pure self. I am that antaryami, all pervading. So this is japa. Urdhva pavitraha, my karanam is Parabrahma only. Vajiniva Swamrtamasmi, like I am that Amrutam, immortality, like Vajiniva, Vajam Annam, Savitari. Like Surya Bhagavan is the center and the possessor of the total food nourisher. Similarly, I am Amrutam, Swamrtamasmi, Dravinagam Savarchasam. My wealth is Brahmajnanameva. Why? Moksha Pala Hetutvat. Sumedaha. I am that omniscient, pure buddhi. How can you say that? My buddhi alone, because of the omniscient buddhi alone, sushti sthiti laya utpatti karanam bhavati. That is the intelligence which is creating all this. Amrutaha, I am immortal. Akshitaha, I am soaked in immortal. Amrutokshitaha. Amrta ukshitaha, other meaning. I am soaked in immortality. Iti, who said? Trishankuhu, Rishi, Veda Anuvachanam. So, all this is for Vidya Avagamyate. Vidya Utpatyartham Avagamyate. Vidya Utpatyartho Avagamyate. Now, Rutam cha ityadi karma upasanat upanyasat anantaram cha Veda Anuvachana pathat etat avagamyata. Now, having after telling रुतंच स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च ये सब बताने के बाद आखिर में क्या इति वेदानुवचनम तक आया ना त्रिशंकोर वेदानुवचनम मुने उसके बाद में दिस वाज रिवील्ड दिस वेदानुवचनम वाज रिवील्ड इसका मतलब क्या है एवं दैट मीन्स व्हाट श्रौत स्मार्तेषु नित्येषु कर्मसु युक्तस्य निष्कामस्य परम ब्रह्म विविदिशोः आर्ष्याणि दर्शनानि प्रादुर्भवन्ति. Appa. Now what is the meaning? Srauta karma, smarta karma. Srauta pointed out, karma pointed out in Shrutis. Smarta karmas pointed out in Smrutis. Those karmas, nityeshu karmasu yuktasya, one who is always performing this Srauta karma and smarta karma, every day engaging himself in those activities, srauta karma and smarta karma, with nishkama bhava of the one who is practicing srauta karma and smarta karma every day without any tiredness, with nishkama bhava, without any palapeksha, without any anxiety to enjoy the fruits thereof. To such a person alone, Param Brahma Vividishoho Arshani. And with that bhavana, one who is practicing, desiring to know Parabrahma, not for Sarga Sukham again, desiring to know Parabrahma Vividishoho Arshani Darshanani Pradurbhavanti. To him alone, in him alone, this Arsha Darshanam, the Darshana which was seen by Rishis, what vision they got, vision of the seers is pradurbhavanti, is revealed to one who is practicing this. That is the meaning. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि one without doing nitya karma, smarta karma, srauta karma, with Nishkama Bhava, desiring to know Parabrahma, this Anuvachanam is impossible. So one cannot give up this. आप इस जन्म नहीं, what yoga करोड़ों करोड़ों जन्म लेंगे बस to escape karma. तो चुपचाप स्टडी ग्रुप शुरू करो. उपनिषद says स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्याम न प्रमदितव्यम. रुदंच स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च. नहीं, that also said नित्य युक्तस्य अपि. No, I am already practicing it. मुझे क्या करना है क्या? Even though you are practicing अविस्मरणार्थम धर्म प्रवृत्त्यर्थम च, all that भगवान शंकर हर जगह से मार पिटाया कर सबको किटा. Now he says विविधशो आर्षाल दर्शन प्रादुर्भवन्ति आत्मादि विषयाणि इति. So all the knowledge regarding self, everything becomes revealed in the antakarana, in the seeker who sincerely, without questioning, follows without any tiredness, atandritaha, without boredom, lagatar, shrauta karma, smarta karma, doing duties, continuously working, then with nishkama bhava, desiring to know Parabrahman, in that such an antakarana, without, after purification, without purification through this process, Parabrahma Jnanam will not be revealed in our heart. Therefore, Veda Anuvachanam is meaningful. Therefore, it is given in the text that Rutancha Swadhyaya ke baad hi this Veda Anuvachanam is revealed, not before that. The Trishanko experience, Aham Vrakshasya Reriva, that Jnana Sadhana ke liye adhikari banna ho, to isse pehle ye sab karna chahiye. Then only it is revealed. इति शिक्षावल्यां दशमो अनुवाकः. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. 19th to 24th next month.